Chino with Electro-Freeze Southeast. I want to introduce you to our Electro-Freeze B12V batch freezer. Our 3-gallon batch freezer features viscosity control and variable motor speed controls. Our viscosity control allows you to never overfreeze your product. Once your product reaches the right thickness, the batch freezer will automatically shut off. Our variable motor speed control lets you adjust the RPMs of the motor so you can make gelato, Italian ice, hard ice cream, and frozen custard. Our batch freezer also features a built-in timer, a rinsing nose, an adjustable shelf, and safety features that make it employee friendly. Folks, thanks for joining us today. I want to say thank you to George Clark with Honey Hill Farms and Ruben Molina with Pre-Gel for supplying the products today. Honey Hill Farms is one of the nation's largest frozen yogurt and soft serve mix suppliers. Pre-Gel is one of the world's largest flavoring suppliers. Today we are making raspberry yogurt with Pre-Gel Yogi powder. Pre-Gel Yogi powder is not to be mistaken for frozen yogurt. It's a flavoring that makes any ice cream base, frozen yogurt base taste like a tart yogurt. This actual powder has made many brands famous. Pre-Gel offering flavorings are top of the line in quality. It's employee error proof and comes all in one. So we're gonna start with 1 gallon of ice cream base, and we are gonna add in about 120 grams of yogi powder. And then we're gonna do a quick blend and then throw it into our batch machine. I'm also gonna add a little bit of raspberry puree to it, or syrup, just to bring out that flavor of that yogurt flavor of the yogi powder. So, all right, we're gonna do a quick blend, throw it into our batch machine. Raspberry yogurt is done. We're gonna start taking it out. There's a nice pink flavor to it. I mean, a pink color to it. So it's gonna have a slight hint of raspberry, and then we're gonna layer it with a red raspberry topping. This is not a variegate, so it's gonna create a texture difference, which is okay because I kind of want it to taste like you eating a cup of yogurt. So we're gonna slowly put that in, just give it a little bit of texture. Then we'll do this by layer by layer. Pre-Gel makes some of the best flavors in the planet, so this is one of those flavors that's made quite a few brands, and I can't name them, very famous, because they use this particular powder to make a yogurt tasting ice cream, or maybe a yogurt tasting even yogurt, soft serve yogurt, or along those lines. Very popular item. And you can use it with gelato mix, you can use it with ice cream mix, custard. Alright folks, we're about done, so have a great day and be safe out there.